Hi there, this is my all-new Sony ZV E10 M2 and I can tell you this is probably the only camera you're gonna need. We can record at 10-bit 422, 4K 60fps videos in landscape as well as portrait mode, which is ideal for content creators like me and even vloggers. Recently, I was traveling to Spain and Germany. We got a chance to test it outdoors as well. Let me share everything in detail so you can decide if you want to buy this or not. By the way, the unit we picked came clubbed with a 16x50 kit lens. We have already posted an unboxing YT shot. If you'd like to see that, you'll find the link in the description. Alright, let's begin. Alright, let's have a quick look at the build quality and design. Well, the first thing that instantly grabs my attention is the portability and weight. The Sony ZV E10 M2 weighs just 343 grams, which is really good, perfect and ideal for people who are thinking to vlog. And that weight is including the high capacity FC100 battery, which is something you don't see in portable small cameras. This is really amazing. There you go, provides a really good grip. You can hold it with one hand, ideal for vloggers. On the front is the 16x50 kit lens, Sony branding here, Alpha. It's got this nice textured finish to it, so it gets a good grip on your hand. You can see the built-in microphones as well. You have the hot shoe, then you have the click button. This is to take pictures. You have the on-off button, then you have the zoom through and wide. You have the defocus or focus button. There's a shortcut key to start recording instantly. Then from here you can go to shoot mode where you can take pictures. This is for video recording, really nice. Then if you move on this side here, there is a microphone input where you can plug in your microphone as well as a USB-C port. This is where you plug in your SD card, there you go. And the last one here is actually for a headphone jack and an HDMI, so you can actually monitor your audio as well and see your video if connected to an external device. Really good. The other thing that really everyone is going to love is the articulating display, something everyone is going to love. So you can start making videos, you can record, just twist the display and get going. Super convenient, very handy buttons, light, portable, brilliant design by Sony. Now I want to take a moment and especially talk about the display. Now this is a high resolution touch color display and it's very responsive. We also get the all new menu style, which is a lot more organized and easy to use. Obviously, it also comes with an articulating display which turns and swivels so you can see the frame while actually recording as well. So for those who want to record in portrait mode like for Instagram or YT shots, the ZV E10 M2 supports vertical interface. So as you turn the camera, the interface changes to match the angle. You can access the interface and the menu, everything in portrait mode as well. It's only when you start using this camera in portrait mode do you realize you're never going to go back to your phone to record again. It also comes with app support. You can download the Creator app from the Play Store or App Store, and once paired to your ZV E10, you can fully control the camera from here. You can start and end the recording, you can change recording settings, you can click pictures and even more. Then you can also instantly transfer images and videos to your smartphone over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Comes very handy. The Creators app is super simple and a lifesaver for most creators and vloggers. Also something that we mentioned earlier in this video, we got the Sony ZV E10 M2 with a 16x50 kit lens, which is really light and portable. We get an E-mount so you can replace them with other E-mount compatible lenses as well. Very handy. So let's talk about the camera's recording capability. So firstly, it comes with a 26 megapixel APS-C sensor and it can record 10-bit 422 4K videos up to 60 FPS. Personally, I prefer recording at 24 or 30. But still, if you want smoother videos, you can definitely go to 60 FPS. When it comes to slow-mo, you can record at 4K 120 FPS. But remember, there will be no audio here. Then while editing, you can slow it down to 25%, giving you ultra smooth slow-mo videos. Just amazing. Alright, enough info. Let's take you through some image samples. So here are some images taken with the 26 megapixel Sony sensor, and I must say, they do an excellent job. The clarity and the detail is very impressive. Portrait images create an excellent natural bokeh. perfect skin tones, and the clarity is very well maintained. Now here are some video samples, all shot handheld. The stabilization overall is pretty decent. Dynamic range is extremely well balanced, as even on a bright sunny day, you can see all the details in the shadow as well. If you are a vlogger, then the ZV E10 Mark II is going to do full justice to your recording experience. The camera also comes with cinematic vlog mode, where the aspect ratio makes it more film-like. It's perfect for those looking for that cinematic experience. Plus, there are built-in filters that you can choose from. It changes the hues and colors to give you even a more cinematic look. Then you can also record at S-Log. Here everything is neutral, so you have more control over exposure and colors during editing. Here are some more video samples unedited right out of the camera. Trust me, I can't get enough of it. It's a treat for vloggers and content creators. Hi there! So here's a 4K 30fps video recorded handheld, and this is at 16mm, the widest, and this is how most vloggers are probably going to use this camera. So this is going to be the best case scenario. So this is the widest, you can see the face, you can see the background. It's also really good. Apart from that, this is on a very bright sunny day, so you can see the sunlight hard hitting on my face. So this is how the dynamic range is going to be when you're recording outdoors like this, like in a situation like this. And now this is a video recording with the microphone connected to the camera. So obviously, I think there will be a difference, but still, it's really good to have built-in microphones on a vlogging camera. In fact, lately, I've shot all my indoor product videos too with the Sony ZV E10 Mark II. The output has been terrific. So here's the video recording indoors inside a studio with the Sony ZV E10 Mark II. This camera also comes with product showcase features. So when I showcase a product, the focus instantly shifts on the product instead of the face. This is such a boon for creators like me who review tech products. So if you're someone who actually has to showcase products, this feature is going to be super handy. Coming to the battery. So as mentioned earlier, it comes with the FC100 heavy duty battery that we usually see only with A7 series. It offers over 2 hours of recording, which is phenomenal. You can charge the battery directly by plugging it with the USB-C cable. Plus, best part is you can even use a power bank when you're on a go. I personally picked up an extra battery with an external charger from Sony. If you are a full-time creator or vlogger, I highly recommend you get this one. Links in the description. Alright, final thoughts. So, the Sony ZV E10 Mark II is a complete package. It's light, it's easy to use even for someone who's handling a camera for the first time. The video and the image quality is absolutely outstanding. Whether you're a vlogger or content creator, this is the only camera you're going to need. The Sony ZV E10 Mark II starts at 94,990. Clubbed with a 16x50 kit lens, it's priced at 1,04,990. I'll share the links below in the description with the kit lens and without the kit lens. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.